Okay guys, YouTubers, this is a 2019 Mustang GT with the GT Performance Package. The only reason I mention that because this has a strut tower brace. What we're going to be doing today is installing a UPR catch can. It's a very simple thing. I've already removed the cover, but I want to back up a little bit. And to remove the strut tower brace, it's two 15mm bolts here, two 15mm bolts on the other side. And before that, you got a clip right here you've got to take off. You can loosen the strut tower brace, you don't have to take it off, okay? Then the cover simply comes off. There'll be a 10mm bolt here and 10mm bolt here. You just pull it off and that exposes the engine. From that point, you're going to have a tube from the valve cover to the PCVV housing, okay? It's very easy to take those off. There's a couple of blue clips here. You're just going to grab them, and I'm going to do this with one hand if I can. And let's see if I can pull them with one hand. Yeah. You just pull the tab here, and then kind of push down, and then this is the hose we're actually going to replace with the catch can. And you know, the purpose of the catch can is so you don't get oil inside the valve, inside the intake manifold. It'd be smoking all the time and dirty up the intake. So very simple operation. This is the catch can. They come in black. I got the satin or aluminum. And it's actually going to sit, it has no bracket. It's actually going to sit right here, down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clip this on very simply. Just going to go around here, around the oil tube where we put the oil in. Very simple. I'm going to do that now. I'm going to have to put the phone down. It's going to clip right here, on here, and the other one's going to clip right here, and I'll show you where it sits. Same type of clips that are on the Ford factory, okay, that are on here. Very easy. All right, so let's do that. Second. Actually, this is on the wrong side. Took me a minute. Okay, so now the catch can is on. It took me a minute. Sorry. And it's going to sit right there with no bracket. And all you'd have to do after that is obviously put your cover back on, two bolts, snap it on, put the bolts back on the strut tower brace, and you'd be finished. But again, no bracket, sits right there. Sits nice. It's light. The hoses are strong and excellent. Okay, thanks guys. Have a good day.